Top 5. Kitchen gadgets for small apartment living. Let's start with the Ginton camping cutting board, your 9-in-1 kitchen hero. This versatile marvel folds to save precious space, yet unfolds into a cutting board, colander, and more. Imagine seamless meal prep, from chopping to washing. It's a must-have to transform any cluttered kitchen into a tidy, organized oasis. Next, meet the magnetic knife strip, a sleek, modern must-have for freeing counter space. Heavy-duty magnets snatch your knives securely without clutter, whether mounted on the wall or fridge. Imagine your favorite knives floating safely in easy reach, adding elegance and efficiency to your cozy kitchen. Then there's the 30x20 over-the-sink cutting board, your ideal workspace expander. Bamboo Beauty meets functionality by transforming sink space into a prep powerhouse. Juice grooves catch the mess, no drama, only clean counters. Picture effortless charcuterie art and smooth meal prepping, simplifying every chop. Let's not forget the Simply Gourmet stackable measuring cups. Crafted from stainless steel, these cups stack seamlessly, banishing drawer chaos. Each cup ensures precision with engraved measurements, turning baking mayhem into a joyful breeze. Transform your cooking experience with this durable, versatile set. Rounding it out, the wall-mounted spice rack lets you conquer clutter. Adjustable tiers cradle all your spices, easily reachable and elegantly displayed. Feel the triumph of a tidy, organized kitchen. With room for up to 64 jars and hooks for extra tools, it's a space-saving treasure you'll adore. All links are in the description. Tap like to save this list.